Open the web browser on your computer. Type http://support.dell.com/ on the address bar of the browser and press Enter. Choose amongst the three options to specify the type of computer you are working on. Select Drivers and Downloads option and choose the model for your Dell computer. Select your product family, product line, and product model. Then click on Confirm to ensure your selections are rightly made. Select Windows XP as your operating system and choose Video from the drop-down menu under Category. Click on Download button to run the appropriate video driver. Click on Save and browse the location to store the setup files and then wait for the completion of the process. Extract the video driver setup files and click on OK. Setup will start automatically and wait for the completion of installation process. Congratulations!